Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is a network switch and the difference between a switch and a router. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Our content for today is provided to us by Cloudflare. Thank you so much, Cloudflare. You can visit at cloudflare.com. So, what is a network switch? A network switch connects devices within a network, often a local area network or LAN, and forwards data packets to and from those devices. Unlike a router, a switch only sends data to the single device it is intended for, which may be another switch, a router, or a user's computers, not to networks of multiple devices. In this illustration, we can see a local area network or a LAN is a group or of connected devices within close physical proximity. So they are close to one another. Home Wi-Fi networks are common example of LAN. So in this illustration, we have either internet and then the router, network traffic, and then the switch. The switch mainly distribute the data packets or the signal from the internet to different devices like computers, tablets, or mobile phone. No? So traffic to A, traffic to B. So let us talk about the difference between a switch and a router. Routers select paths for data packets to cross networks and reach their destinations. Routers do this by connecting with different networks and forwarding data from network to network, including LANs, wide area networks, or WANs, or autonomous systems, which are the large networks that make up the internet. In practice, what it means that routers are necessary for internet connection, while switches are only used for interconnecting devices. Home and small offices need routers for internet access, but most do not need a network switch unless they require a large amount of Ethernet ports. However, large offices, networks, and data centers with dozens or hundreds of computers usually require switches. So Ethernet is a layer 2 protocol for sending data between devices. Unlike Wi-Fi, Ethernet requires a physical connection via an Ethernet cable. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the what is a network switch and what is the difference between a switch and a router. This is the end. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.